Does Redmi A5 come with a charger? Let me quickly check it out for you. Okay, so this is the box of Redmi A5. So let me open it. Okay, so this is the phone we have. Let me pull it out, this one. Okay, so here we have the SIM ejector pin. Okay, so here we have this little box. So here we have the charging cable. And here we have this, charger. Okay. So this is the 15-watt charger. Okay. So my Redmi A5 come with a charger. It's an Indian variant, but if you have some other variant, it might not come with a charger. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.